Buongiorno tutti. Hi everybody. Oh gosh, it is so nice to be here. And somehow I've picked the good weather for like the 2 days that I'm here, but I'm heading to the Piazza right now to of course get my Americano and then heading off to Lucca. Do you remember that amazing flea market that I visited in the past? Heading back there, but I'm then going to head into proper Lucca and give you guys a little tour. But first, as always, an Americano. Andiamo. Those of you who have watched my YouTube videos know that when I come to Fivizzano, the first place I stop is Cafe Helvetico. It's in the sunshine, especially, well, in the mornings. It's a perfect place to have my Americano, which has just arrived. I usually stick to decaf, but I allow myself special treats when I'm in Italy, and this is a special treat. But look at the day. It is sensational and a great day to go to a flea market. Entering the beautiful Renaissance walled city of Lucca. Beautiful sunny day. This time I have a decaf Americano, heading into a restaurant that's been recommended here in Lucca. Beautiful day. It's like perfect. Wish I could do this like every single day. Maybe one day in like 30 years. We are finding our lunch restaurant, and wow, it's pretty spectacular to be entering underneath this incredible, well, what would have been huge, almost like a portcullis gate. Wow. And then on the flip side, some fantastic frescoes up there. Wow. Okay, noi troviamo un tavolo fuori. So we found seats outside, and we're gonna be seated here with the fresh pasta that she's making now. Our cartofo, our artichoke with like a Romano cheese has just arrived, and it looks delicious. Have a look. This is where we are dining for our lunch. Trattoria da Nonna Clara. And I'm wondering if that is Nonna Clara in the window making the pasta. This is the inside of the restaurant as well. Love it. You guys, I have just spent a magical day in Lucca. Flea market shopping, my favorite thing to do, wandering the little streets and just soaking it all in, and it was so lovely. But after a full day out, my skin definitely needs a little bit of TLC. And that is why I bring this with me, the FAQ 202 Foreo. It's honestly my secret weapon when traveling. It's wireless. It is completely like ultra lightweight. It's made from flexible silicone that just fits perfectly to my face. And I can use the FAQ Swiss app to pick like a preset treatment if I want to, or I can just pop it on when I'm getting ready or winding down. And it uses these 8 LED wavelengths, including near infrared light, to help reduce fine lines, to even out skin tone. I've got some sunspots as well. It definitely helps with, and it helps to just boost the skin healing. My skin feels so much smoother and fresher, even after a full day in the sun or rummaging through vintage treasures. And right now, you guys can get 30% off all Foreo products with my code JulieM30. And yes, it is stackable. So that means you can use it on items that are already discounted. You can use it on the entire Foreo website. And if you've seen me with this little gem right here, the UFO 3, I never leave home without it. It's included in the discount too, which makes it the perfect time to treat yourself. So whether you guys are like treasure hunting in somewhere near you, or you're in Lucca, or just need some type of skincare reset at home, click the link below and don't forget to use Julie M30. Foreo, amazing products, you guys. Here in Lucca, and we're in the very famous oval-shaped piazza called Piazza del Anfiteatro, and it was built on top of the old Roman ruins of an amphitheater. And there's amazing shops and cafes dotted all along here. So I'm going to take you on a journey with me as we enter into some of these shops, because I know several of them are absolutely amazing. So I'm with Emma, by the way, who is slightly freaking out because the spritz here are €3. So she said we must get one.
Collecting the spritz?
Dopo.
In like 5 minutes.
5 minuti. Ok, grazie.
Can't say no to that.
This shop I've been to before, Le Sorelle, and it was a shop that was recommended to me by Luke's cousin, who's Italian. Aperto, open, andiamo. You know I like a good tea towel. Look at. Oh, runners. Oh my goodness. Linen runners. I quite like the striped ones. All made in Italy. I like it that they have that sign. I'm eyeing these napkins, but I have a couple baskets, washable paper baskets in my house that hold the washing tablets and the clothespins for when I hang my clothes up on my terrace. Loving. I mean, I love my plates from Castelli, but these are very pretty. We're just leaving Lucca, and I found this shop. Well, you know, the kind of shop I like. Here it is. So we're gonna head in. I get €10 for that picture. What? Anyway, let's head inside. It's more clothes vintage. Wow. But bits and pieces here, you know, for a cabinet of curiosities, possibly. That's a nice teacup. I'm not sure I'm gonna find anything here. It's very small, but very sweet. Lots of glassware. Not my champagne glasses if you've been watching my YouTube video for a while. It's close, very close. Like that, but not quite. All right, let's move on to the next. This was a quick pit stop. While I was shopping, Emma has found a pair of black heels for €10 in the shop. Can you just pick them up?
Just tuck my shoes.
There we go. Nice.
Not bad.
So cute. Let's see the other one.
It's pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
€10.
So cute. Need to dust them off,
Too
but
bad. Yeah, I know.
they are coming home with
Dusty.
us.
Yeah.
Emma has also found this. I'm zooming in.
It's
Heinz
€5.
ketchup. How much?
€5.
She's getting it.
I'm gonna buy that. Yeah. Cool.
So cute. We've exited the shop very happy. Emma, €15 later, pair of shoes and a jumper. We are heading up on the wall where there's lots of cyclists and walkers. And we are anticipating, I think, quite a good view. We've made it to the top. It wasn't a huge climb, but we are on top of these wonderful Renaissance old that surrounds Lucca. And beautiful, gorgeous day. Even with a little bit of hike, you can see quite a bit. So that was our day in Lucca. Emma, great day.
Great day.
And you're so happy with your sweatshirt and shoes?
Great purchases, great prices. Can't complain.
All right, on to the flea market. Let's go. If you watched my last video, This will bring back memories. I feel like they have more stuff here. Look at the demijohns everywhere. Garden furniture. Might have to come back here. I love this. Even though I have one, mine was kind of a very inexpensive one. This, oh my gosh, on my top terrace. Comment down below if you think that would be perfect. It's enormous. Absolutely vast, enormous. Okay, wow. Well, I'm gonna head to the pictures. Emma, what do you think behind me? It's huge, right?
Yeah, it's huge.
Have you ever seen anything like this in your life? No.
I wish I could organize it.
Emma wishes she could organize it all. She is the organizer. All right, this is the row I love, this one. Emma, what did you just say?
But that's terrifying.
It's OCD. It gives her OCD anxiety. Look at this. How do you get through that? She wants to organize the whole thing. First picture we've picked up. Like that, €5.
I really like that.
Amazing. I told you, this place is a gold mine.
I really like that. I think I'm actually going to buy it.
It's €5. You
First thing
definitely
I
should.
see.
This one's fantastic. I'm thinking possibly kitchen. €30. Really pretty. Possibly. Okay, signed. 1967. There we go. What does everybody think? It needs a good clean. I think it's really pretty. Might need to go into the car with me. Honestly, I think they've just had like a big delivery of pictures. I have no idea. Last time I was here, I didn't see this many. It's insane. This is nuts. I want to start a business collecting these and then, I don't know, selling them. Oh my gosh, it's too many. But I did find one, but I'm gonna keep looking. How crazy is this? This picture with the frame is €10. How? It's huge, by the way. Still here, looking through these pictures, and it's tricky to get through them. This pile, whoop. Yeah, I quite like. Okay, yeah. We're gonna have to move these over here because these are about to tumble down. Okay, sorry. I'm sure they won't mind. I'm trying to make it safer. I think. Whoa, somebody's already cracked that one. Okay. That's pretty. Look at this one. That one's a €30 one as well. Possibly. Don't know. €30 and a good frame. Okay. Okay, this is Lucca. It says Via del Fosso, Lucca. This is done possibly 1957. There we go. €30. Don't you think it's pretty? I prefer it to that one. Emma, what do you think?
I have a frame as well. Frame's a bigger back.
Yep. And it's just cleaner. Okay. I have no idea where this is going to go, everybody, but I think I'm going to have to get it and figure it out.
Okay, let's take it home.
This is one of many hundreds of cabinets. I'm not even kidding you. Look at, they're everywhere. How long has this stuff been here? Don't know. Emma's still having OCD, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
A little bit, she is. All right. There's this behind me. Okay. Not looking for furniture or chairs. Italians seem to have a lot of chairs at these flea markets. If you watched me the last time when I visited Pontremoli, they had many more chairs than this. All right, oh, another area. Wow, books. How? Emma, how's your OCD with the books?
They're kind of stressing me out.
All right, we're gonna go back to the pictures because I'm gonna find a couple more for you. This is, for me, everybody, this is the best place to find pictures. Like, amazing. Nice lampshades. I actually could bring, I need some back at Mapperton. Those are actually very good ones. Lights. Wow. Wow. There was an enormous crash. Emma and I were over there, and it wasn't us. We were further down, but the lady that you saw earlier in the video who was organizing the pictures, a gazillion fell down and missed us by a slither, don't you think so, Emma? Like, missed us.
It wasn't us.
Thank goodness.
It'd be a
Yeah, and they,
pricey bill.
yeah, it wasn't us, and she knew it. But these are quite sweet. I don't know, €5. Put a little aperitivo in there, and they have the cockerel, which is the same. Well, I have cockerels on my plates that I got at Castelli. So I don't know. I might just get one of these. Put olives. Don't you think so, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, cute.
Aperitivo is nice.
For aperitivo. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay. That's coming home too. I'm being super careful now after the crash down there. Can you zoom in on that?
Remains of the crash. Uh-oh.
Yeah. So I found this for the kitchen. I think I know where it's going to go. I think I need a good still life. I've got a lot of kind of Tuscan scenes. €15, nice frame.
That's nice.
Yeah, so I think €15. I know where it's gonna go in the kitchen. I'll show you guys later. Carefully take this out. Phew. Heading further in, there's still pictures everywhere we go. Nice floor lamps-ish. Another painting up there. Not sure what it's doing up there. This place is
chaos.
It's crazy. More pictures. Okay, they're following us. What about this one? No. No. Magazines. Have you ever, Emma, seen so much junk in your life?
No, never. It's freaking me out. Don't want to be stuck here at night, that's for sure.
She's having a bit of OCD anxiety right now. So we're gonna head back to my little Italian house, but I just found a spot. I'm gonna show you guys more chairs straight in front of me. Wow. She's desperate to go home now because this it's just, it is brilliant. I mean, I love it. That's quite a nice chair, to be honest. That carved chair there, but needs to be reupholstered. Not for anything I need right now. Carpets. Oh. Wait. Oh. No. Now I think that looks much better. Sorry for the glare. Let's get a little bit closer. That is the picture that I found in the Lucca flea market. And of course, these were found in flea markets as well. Oh gosh, I'm really, really happy. Let me know, comment down below. What do you guys think?